So I wanted to show you just how fast you can put together a chart with Quick Start Charts. I've got the little timer here going so you can kind of see. I've got the file opened, and what I'm going to do is, hopefully we can see this, I'm going to take this hat and I'm going to chart this mock cable for you. So let's go ahead and we're going to start by saving this as mock cable test. This would all go faster if I typed faster. Now I don't need any of this legend or chart heading information. I'm going to change the word sample legend to legend. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of all of this and all of that. So let's see here. My chart is 16 and it's worked in the round. So I just need 16 numbers here. I'm going to pull those out and get rid of all the, oops, missed number 1. Get rid of all the extras. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, and for my lacy mock cable, all I need are knits, pearls, yarn overs, and slip knits and knits 2 together. So I'm going to grab the knits and the pearls first and drag them up here. And I'm going ahead, and because this has worked in the round, I don't need to change these things. I don't need to change it to, knit on the right side, blah, blah, blah on the wrong side. So I'm going to bring that up there. Also would like my repeat. Oh, let's actually grab both of those. So there's my repeat. Those are all the symbols I need. Knit, purl, yarn over, knit 2 together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of everything else because I don't need anything else. I don't need this basic symbols. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting my legend together. And there we go. Knit, purl, and you'll notice everything is just snapping right into place, which is just how we like it. And I'm making sure that everything's in the right place. And then I'm going to do this and I'm going to stack it all. So I'm going to take this and put it over here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to put this here. And I'm going to start, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and draw my box. So oops, wrong button. We want a box here with the repeat, and we want 8. Yes, no, that's only 7. There's 8. And we're gonna move this so it's on the thing here. We'll move those over in a second. And then we want 16, and you'll notice as we do the 16, it's it's stretching out, but it's going to go back into place because we have all of our settings correct. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to do a Command D. If you're on a PC, I'm going to do that. I don't need to tell you that because I'm just showing you how fast I can do this. D. Let's see here. And then we've got this going. Oops, I wanna, there we go. We're gonna make this a little bigger so that you can see there we go. Okay, and then it's purl. And then this is going to get pretty easy pretty fast because we're doing that. Oops. Nope, that one. All right. And then these, we're just going to get all of these and we're going to get those in place because our even rows, oops, are easy peasy. So I'm going to go ahead and get my even rows in place. There we go. And then we should just be able to 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this guy all the way up there. And I'm just duplicating that. Oh, that's, oops. Let's get all of these. There we go. And then that's good. Okay. And then this guy is going to go like, I have to make sure when we do this that we're grabbing outside. This is actually interesting to me because this is not my preferred software. Normally, I would be going much faster because I am super proficient in Illustrator and Inkscape is not the way I need to go. And then how many rows do we have here? I'm just referring to my sample chart there. Oops. We need to get 3, and then we should be able to just mirror this. So let's go ahead and grab all of this and duplicate it. And then there we go. We just hit that. And it looks like, yeah, we're basically done. I talked a little too much, but we're at 6.5 minutes. We need to take this fella and bring him all the way to the top because that's the repeat line. And then let's minus this a little bit. This is ready to export and use in a design and under 7 minutes. So there you go.